I hate fishing, but nevertheless, this video is about the art of baiting, penis baiting, that is. Coming from a family of avid fishermen, I had no choice but to know a lot about worms for baiting, that is. And as it happens, I can't escape the family curse. As a urologist and specialist in sexual health, here we go again. Again, I know a lot about worms for baiting, that is. And in case you are unfamiliar with script language, I just presented you the bait on a hook. Now let's hook you for real for the rest of the video. It won't make you a hookup artist, but you will learn more about your worm and your target fish. I guess I owe this video to my fisherman family. And of course, this is all science-based. In 2020, a very interesting study was published in the Archives of Sexual Behavior, titled The Erogenous Mirror: Intersubjective and Multisensory Maps of Sexual Arousal in Men and Women. And this is the perfect example of a non-penis baity study that wouldn't have caught your attention until I hooked you with it. In a very unique way, it focuses on which areas of the body men and women want to touch or want to be touched at, and also where they look and what they find erotic. Now, if you are in the gym on a regular basis, as I am, you know the phenomenon of body scrunch leggings for women. Much too complicated for where I come from. So in my house, we call them the butt scrunch seams. If you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, look it up online or pay your local gym a visit. Bottom line, what you see is what you get. Works beautifully for women. Signals the other women, bitch, back off. And signals the men, don't even dream about it. But it doesn't work the other way around. A woman can butt bait you, but very few men can penis bait a woman. This is the very reason only male belly dancers and male gymnasts who ride the pommel horse in a onesie wear pants like that. Women just don't have a preference for the bumps between your legs. The article I just named leaves no doubt about that. Men think, look at me, look at Mr. Majestic. But most women wouldn't want to look. Here's a very interesting piece of information from that study that's really hard to believe. But I don't think that science lies here. Women don't watch UroChannel. Ladies, I think you can really learn something about men here. Therefore, if you happen to be a woman, please subscribe to UroChannel and share my videos with your friends. I'm sure many videos will rearrange their universe. Men, you are excused just for once. But you can become a member of UroChannel instead and support my mission on YouTube. Thank you to all members and subscribers. And back to what women don't do. They don't really look at men. At least they don't stare or do it intensely. But they scrutinize every inch of other women. There are certain reasons for that which are linked to women's role in society. Observing other women serves a purpose. In the world of women, it is for comparison, competition, and also social ranking. What about male private parts? Blue as an icicle on the visual mannequins in the study. And I think you've guessed it. Blue means no one is looking, whereas red means everybody is looking. Of course, everybody is different, and there are women who like to measure up with their eyes. However, they are not in the majority. This scientific finding issues a very clear warning to all men. Don't send dick pics. If they don't like hot dogs, they surely don't like the naked wiener version. The worm has to taste good to the fish, not the fisherman. And even if you're not a fisherman, it's not too hard to figure out that certain worms get you certain fish. Earthworms are good for catfish, for example. And if you want to catch a trout, a mealworm might do. You can get a striped bass with a bloodworm. And of course, let's add some fillers. A jerkbait might even get you a pike. So you see, if your bait is not getting you the fish you want, maybe you're trying for the wrong fish. Of course, if you want a pike, you have to kind of bulk up. But pikes have sharp teeth on the other hand, and not all fishermen feel the urge to battle with that thing. Now the question is this: if it's not the penis, what is it then? Okay, this video will surely get some comments about dollars and wallets, but even here, you can't money bait women. Well, maybe the famous goldfish would like a piece of your Ferrari, but I'm talking about physical qualities. Here's a simple trick you can do. It's not expensive, everybody can do it, and it's effective. So, what am I talking about? Here's another hint. Men have it who share the name of antique furniture. If you can figure it out, fine. If not, watch this video and find out. So next time you go fishing in the swamp, watch my videos first and catch the right fish.